Autodesk Vault helps you to collaborate with your team, both inside and outside your organization. Share a view of your design directly from inside Vault to create a 2D or 3D viewable of your design file, which can be reviewed with virtually any cloud-connected browser or handheld device. Reviewers don't have to download or install any software to collaborate on your designs. They just need the secure web link. Reviewers can navigate, section, explode, and measure your design. All model information and structure can be shared with the reviewer. In addition, reviewers can comment and mark up on your designs, and all comments are logged and can be viewed in your Vault client. Because the focus of this workflow is work in progress feedback, the 2D and 3D viewables are temporary visualization files, not your native CAD data. These temporary visualization files automatically expire unless extended by you. Autodesk Vault shared views help you to connect and collaborate with your extended design team. Ensure that your designs are correct and coordinated, and support review and commenting from non-CAD users with Autodesk Vault shared views.